Welcome back, friends. We are a very large country. We have 1.3, 1.4 billion people to feed. The food production is a big thing, and that is why there has been a lot of hybrid kind of vegetation which are being promoted, which can produce a lot of high yield crop, and also a lot of pesticides are used to increase the crop production from the field, and that has created some issues with regard to the pesticide poisoning among people. So this section of my discussion is about how we can actually get out of this pesticide poisoning, and what are the harmful things. And very briefly I want to tell you that the pesticides have been found in your blood. If you go for a test today, I can tell you with a lot of confidence that if you go for your blood test, you will find pesticides in your blood and also in your urine. So I think because of the food that we are consuming, these are produced like a factory, and a lot of pesticides are being used at this point in time. Well, there is no um, a very long term effect of these pesticides, because these pesticides are by and large not harmful to humans. However, these pesticides can be very harmful to the good bacteria which is thriving inside your body, which is used. Uh, these bacteria are used for metabolism to basically um, make sure that your body functions the way it is designed. And a lot of bacteria everywhere inside your gut, inside your abdomen, inside your stomach, etc. They are there to help you. These are good bacteria. So the pesticides, when they go inside our system, the pesticides actually affect these bacteria. It does not affect you in a long run. There's no short term. There could be a long term effect on you, but in short term there is no side effect, major side effect. However, these bacteria die inside your body, but the new ones are born. But because of this, if you are not consuming organic food, the amount of pesticides which can build up in your body can actually completely shut down your immune system. And this is the latest which has come up after studying various test samples from human excreta, that the good bacteria have reduced if you do not have the vegetables, organic vegetables in your diet. And that is very harmful. That is very alarming, especially when we are passing through this pandemic, and the immunity is very very important for us to survive this time of pandemic. And today we are dedicated on the environment friendly topic. So I thought this is something which is very very important, where we give our viewers the importance of having organic food in our diet, or organic vegetables in our diet, because that is going to help boost our immunity and also help boost the bacteria which are thriving inside our good bacteria, which are thriving and helping us to survive better. So I think the point is that as far as possible, try to consume more organic based, organic cultivated vegetables, uh, more fibrous food. Wash them in case there are some pesticides, because most of the pesticides will be on the surface. Wash your vegetables properly, and as far as possible, get the vendor to deliver organic vegetables to you. Very very important, friends. I think this is something which I thought I will bring it to you today in this environment special session of our program. So in case you want to communicate with us, drop in a message and I will display your message right away. I can see some messages. Let me see if there are something. Okay, so I have some messages, but they are not related to the subject, so I don't want to show these messages to you. Um, However, you can also connect with us by clicking on the link given in the description below, and you will join live in our program with your mic and camera. So, friends, I will take a short break and I'll be back very soon. Don't go anywhere.